Lot 105 is a 2006 Bluebird Handy Bus. The body is pretty good. It just has a wrinkle on the right rear on the passenger side. I'll show it to you. This one has a bad starter. I'm going to show you. We have the battery jumpers connected, and we're going to attempt to show you what does it do. It makes noises, and it tries to turn over, and definitely there's an issue with the starter. Go ahead. Making all kinds of noises coming from here where the starter's at. Go ahead. Sounds like a starter wants to engage. It sounds like a connection problem. It sounds like the starter, there's a problem with the starter, definitely. All right, let me show you the body. The driver's side looks good. The tires look really good. Okay. The stop sign. Let me show you the body. Is in good shape. I'm going to show you the other side where I mentioned to you that on the right rear is a little wrinkle. Let me show you. Right here. It's a little scar here. And right here, you see a little wrinkling there. That is the damage. The only damage that I see. Everything else is nice and straight. The back, the front. Now let's go to the inside. Batteries are dead. Okay. Some manual door handle. Everything appears to be in place. This one has 117,000 original miles. Okay, it has no radio. Okay, let me show you the seats. They all have their seat belts. There's 5 bench seats. The floor is good. It's just dirty and moldy. It's got some fasteners there. Rear AC unit. We couldn't start it, so I can't tell you if the AC works or not. The lift gate appears to be complete. The ceiling is nice. The windows are all closed. They seem to be in good condition. They're tinted. Alrighty, so I can't tell you anything else because I don't know about the motor. We couldn't start it, but you gotta get that starter issue first fixed, and then you can determine. We're gonna sell it like it is because we don't. That's what we do. And good luck. It's a 6.0. And good luck.